Hi, I'm Brad Wilson with King Manufacturing, here to show you how to install the alCove heater or the KCV series. The setup is so simple that even one person can install a 10-foot heater by themselves, and I'm going to show you how. First thing you want to do is to take it out of the box and remove the extruded aluminum front cover. The one-piece back plate is very light and it gets mounted to the wall. This knockout is what you're going to want to take out to bring the wire into this junction box. I'm going to insert a flathead screwdriver and twist until the knockout comes out. It's just a simple little slotted hole, and just like that, it falls out. And you're ready for access for the electrical wiring. Now that we've knocked out the knockout, we're going to put a strain relief and feed the wires in through the back. Now this strain relief will also help hold the heater up. There are knockouts on both the left and the right side of the junction box, so the supply power can be fed to either side of the heater. Pull them through and the heater can just hang there. Now simply swing the heater up as you walk over to the other side and make sure it's completely level. Should be able to screw this right to the stud. Now we see that the Cove heater is level with the ceiling. We install it. And there's the right side done. The pre-punched holes are placed every 4 inches so you can see it lines up with the next stud in the wall. There we go. And now the other side. So we can catch a stud on this side. One of the big features of a King Cove heater is that the aluminum extruded panel can be held by the back plate. The back plate will hold it while you do your wiring. And we just lift it right up and put it on these hooks, and you can wire this by yourself. We're hooking up the 2 hot leads and the ground on this side in this installation. Then we have a crossover wire that goes across and hooks up to the other side where the element is. And then we have our ground wire for safety. Then we tuck all these nice and tight in the back of the heater, and now we'll go to the other end of the heater. So then we can come over to this side and connect up the crossover wire to the heating element. Once your wiring is finished, you push the wires inside the junction box and then just lift the cover up and drop it on. So now that this end's wired, we can easily put the cover on. Push it on, and with number 2 square drive or a Phillips, just tighten the cover down and it will hold this end while I go to the next end. Now the power side here, we'll tuck the wires in, making sure they're not touching the front cover. And the junction box cover goes on. Tighten down that upper one and the lower one. And your installation is actually done. Well, as you can see, it's a very easy install that one person can do by themselves. Now, isn't that smart? And don't forget, King heaters, like the KCV heaters, are proudly made here in Seattle, Washington. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our YouTube channel.